Want to know how to get a random numbers between two values in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide and explanation on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we have this code right here. This is on an online compiler. You can use any software or compiler that you want. So you can also copy up this code and take it as a reference. So we use a Math.random for it. So we use the Math.random state or the function for it. So you can see Math.random right here. So first things first, what we have done is we have chosen two numbers, that is of integer, which is between 5 and 15. So we have to take out a random number between 5 and 15. So for that, we define another integer that is random. So right under here inside integer, we use Math.random multiplied by max minus min plus 1 plus min. So remember, min means 5 and max means 15. So we use this simple formula right here, and once you run it up, you will easily see the results coming up. So the random number is 11 right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.